In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a zoom effect on Wave.video. If you want to highlight a detail, draw attention to a subject, or create a dramatic reveal, a clean zoom can make a big difference. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along in just a few minutes. First, open Wave.video and head to My Projects. This is your dashboard where all your videos live. If you already have the video you want to work on, select it. If not, you can upload a new clip here. Give the upload a moment to process so the editor has the best quality to work with. Next, choose Edit Video to launch the editor. You'll see the preview canvas in the center, your timeline along the bottom, and a panel on the right side for settings and effects. Take a second to let the interface load fully. It makes the next step smoother. Now click the part of the video in your timeline where you want the zoom to happen. Make sure the correct clip is highlighted so the effect applies only where you intend. A shorter selection will make the zoom feel faster, while a longer selection creates a gentler movement. Think about the mood you want, punchy emphasis or a slow, elegant push. With your clip selected, look to the right side and open the effects panel. This is where visual adjustments live. Scroll if needed until you find the zoom options. You'll see choices for zoom in and zoom out. Zoom in is perfect for emphasizing text, faces, or product details. Zoom out works well to reveal more context or smoothly pull away from a close subject. Choose either zoom in or zoom out. After selecting, glance at the preview to see how the zoom behaves with your framing. If your subject isn't centered, you might want to adjust your selection point so the movement feels balanced. Keep in mind that the pacing of the zoom will naturally match the duration of the selected portion in your timeline. Finally, preview your work. Press play and watch the section with the effect. Ask yourself if the zoom draws attention to the right spot and whether the speed matches the moment. If it feels too abrupt, extend the selection slightly. If it's too slow, shorten it. You can also switch between zoom in and zoom out to see which serves your story better. That's it, you've just created a smooth zoom effect in Wave.video. Save your project when you're happy, and use the same steps on other clips to build a polished, professional look.